Good morning, Joseph Emanuele from your Costa Rica connection and Remax Tres Amigos. Today I'm in Liberia, the capital of Guanacaste. It's about 35-minute drive, depending on traffic, from Playa Hermosa. I'm here at the Toyota dealership doing regular scheduled maintenance of my car and getting new tires put on. So, here we have a lot of great services. I love Purdy Motors. That is the franchisee that owns all the Toyota dealerships in Costa Rica. They're fabulous with their service. I get an email 2 weeks before it's time to have it done. Then like 5 days before it's supposed to be done, I get a phone call to schedule an appointment. Then once the appointment is scheduled, I'll get a text message literally the day before confirming the appointment. When you show up here at the dealership, they do a great job. You're greeted with friendly people. They're on time. They do a great job. Now, I'm not promoting, Toyota here. However, there are a lot of good mechanics here in Costa Rica. I prefer to go back to the dealership because then I get genuine Toyota parts for my vehicle. I've had it almost 5 years now, and it's working wonderful. So when you come to Costa Rica and you make the move and you're looking to buy a vehicle, I highly recommend, Toyota, because I've been very happy with the service and the quality of the vehicle. Again, this is not a push for Toyota, just trying to give some information about some of the great services that we have available here in Costa Rica. If you like Hyundai, there's a Hyundai dealership. If you like Kia, there's a Kia dealership. If you like Ford, there's a Ford dealership. So there's a lot of different options here in Costa Rica to purchase, to drive, to use. So I just wanted to give some information. If this was informative for you, click the like button down below. And if you want to get more videos that I do, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. This is Joseph Emanuele from your Costa Rica connection at Remax Tres Amigos in Playa Hermosa, Guanacaste, Costa Rica. If you need more information, please feel free to send me an email. My email address is josephemanuele@remax.net. That's Joseph, EMANUELLI @remax.net. Well, I'm off for breakfast now. I got to wait about 3 hours for my car, so talk to you folks later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.